Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Got your coffee. What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard, Diva, Crypto, Babe, I'm back. How's everybody doing this morning? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys. Ooh, awesome. All right, what we're back to talk about today is Guaranteed Leads IO. And actually, I just want to show you a new update that they've made in the back office. All right. If you have not checked this out, you definitely want to go to the link in the description and check out this little program. Low ticket. It's only $125 one time. No monthly fees with this thing. And it spits out $75 instant commissions. Any way you want. Okay. Endless stream of targeted leads. The best source for automated lead and automated cash flow. All right. As soon as you opt into the page, watch this 9-minute video. Okay. You get a lot of information from watch this video. Okay. Read over this page. It's an affiliate system that offers the cash flow on the front end, the $75 commissions. Every time someone purchases the system for $125, you make $75. Okay, and then you get access in your back office to a company, a lead vendor that offers targeted leads. These are interviewed leads of people that's interested in making money from home. They raised their hand and they said, hey, I have $400 to spend on the business. Show me yours. Okay, so they're going to email you, text you the name and email and phone number of these people. This is an additional service, okay, that's optional in your back office that you'll have access to. Like it says here, third-party resource. Now, you're going to have these leads. They're going to email them to you. You have the phone number, name, and email. But the company, this vendor, is going to reach out to them on your behalf. They're going to send them an email, text them, okay, to follow up with them for you. All right, and then they're going to notify you when these people click the link. Click your link. Okay, they're going to text you and say, hey, you just got a hot lead. So this is a great resource to have in your arsenal. All right, but you've got to get this system first. The 125 gives you access to this. All right, so you make $75 commissions. You make $75 on your first sale. This is a reverse one-up. The first sale, you make your money back, $75 basically. The second sale, you're going to pass up, guys. Okay? So that gives you leverage in the program. And then third sale and beyond, you're going to keep all those sales. Okay? So everybody that joins you is going to owe you their second sale. Powerful. $75 over and over and over and over and over again. All right? So check it out at your leisure. GL system. Promote your primary business as well. You're able to put your link to your primary business in your back office. So when people sign up with you, they go there, they're going to see your primary business. So that could be another income stream. Okay. So for $125, you're able to offer multiple opportunities. And you get paid from this vendor when people sign up and purchase that service. This vendor is going to give you a commission. Okay. Okay, so this is a great tool to have, picks and shovels that you're going to have access to. Okay, so what I want to show you, you get this page, it's coded to you. You can put your picture in there. They have the FAQ little section here. Very simple system, but it works. Works like clockwork. Okay, I've made numerous $75 commissions over and over and over and over and over, and it continues. Now, what I want to show you today is some new updates they've made to the back office that you can take advantage of. So let's get into that. Okay, in the back office, in the members area, you want to go to marketing. Okay, click on marketing. Under marketing, check it out. Solo ad resources. Of course, they have the banners. We've looked at those before, right? Well, this is the banner advertising resources here. Let's back up. The advertising resources where you can post banners. Solo ad resources, classified advertising. Of course, if you want to connect your Aweber to this, you can, but the system already has an autoresponder included. Done for you traffic. Now here's the new additions. Pre-written ads. Okay, they've added some little ads back here, guys, for you to check out. Okay, right here. Social media images. Okay, right here. Got some social media images here. Alright, that you can go and post on social media. Is that cool or what? Alright, so you've got access to this stuff, guys, that you can post. They give you pre-written ads. Then they even tell you right here, they have a third-party company that you can go check out for Postcard marketing. Okay. My first love, postcards. They definitely work if you're consistent, just like anything else. It takes persistence and consistency, even with online. But they give you a resource for that here, ready to go postcards and mailing service. All right. So I wanted you guys to see this. Go to your back office and check this stuff out and utilize what you have here, guys. You have access to all this stuff, so take advantage of it. Okay. I clicked on training. This is what you see here. So go here and click on this stuff. All right. You paid for access to this. It is in your back office. It's going to resources. There's some more info. Do you know? And they have some different little questions here. And if you click on it, it gives you more information on each one of these topics. All right. So log in your back office and click on resources and check all this stuff out. Like I said, the Picks and Shovel Center is in the back office as well. So when you go back there, you're going to see, when you sign up with me, you're going to see my primary business. And then you're going to see that vendor that I'm talking about in the Picks and Shovels area. And like I stated before, that vendor will pay you commissions if someone purchases that service as well. So you're going to earn commissions from that as well, guys. All right. Now, just an FYI. I've been in touch with the owner of this program, and let me give you some information, just a little bit here. He mentioned, I'm not gonna read the whole email here, but some more great info is coming to the system. So you want to get in now, spend your $125. He mentioned that let's see here, let me find that part that I like. You haven't seen anything yet. I told him how I like the system. He says we've got a new step-by-step process that's coming to make it more efficient, this system, and another potential vendor, a texting solution that's going to be coming on steroids. Okay, so you haven't seen the last of guaranteed leads. This is not it. There's more to come, guys. So definitely go check this thing out. Go to the link in the description. Get started with me. Hang on one second. Let me go back. I want to get back to the screen here. But get started with me in guaranteed leads, guys. Next level automated system is very affordable for everybody. $125, guys. One time, no monthly fees. Your $75 commissions, you can set them up any way you want to get paid via Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, however you want to get those payments, get paid. All right, they have the system where you have the capture pages. Let me show you some of those. The autoresponder is already included. It's a done-for-you system, already ready to roll. Okay, let's look at some of these capture pages. Here's one right here. Here's another one. Here's one. I'm just going to scan through them. This is the one right here that I'm using. When you go to my link, you'll see this one. Okay. All the capture pages are here. You just select the one that you want to use. And look what it says here. Post to Facebook. post to Twitter. Okay, so this thing is ready to go. All you got to do is start promoting it. Okay, the vendor in the back office is optional. If you don't want to use that service, guess what? We have solo advertising that I will share with you. Actually 2 or 3 of my favorite solo providers. I'll give you access to that service. So if you want to just order solo ads, you can do that too. But the sky's the limit to what you can do here with Guaranteed Leads IO. Alright, so go check out that link in the description. Check it out. Watch this video. Jot down your questions if you have any after you watched it and read over this whole website. And give me a call. I'll be happy to discuss it with you. Thank you so much, guys, for checking out the video. Make sure you have an amazing day today. Alright, just like I will. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me. And click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.